In our fast-paced world, we often overlook the importance of our immune health. Yoga offers a refuge, providing us with not just flexibility and strength, but a powerful ally in maintaining robust immunity. The practice transcends mere physical exercise. It cultivates an environment inside our bodies conducive to health and wellness, proving to be essential, especially during challenging seasons when illness tends to flourish. At its core, yoga engages our parasympathetic nervous system, eliciting the powerful rest and digest response that promotes calm. As we step onto the mat and breathe deeply, we enable our bodies to decrease the production of stress hormones, like cortisol, that otherwise undermine immune function. This tranquil state brings our focus inward, allowing us to reconnect with ourselves and ward off stress-induced vulnerabilities. Moreover, regular yoga practice fosters improved circulation, ensuring that essential nutrients and oxygen are delivered efficiently throughout the body. Enhanced blood flow supports the vital functions of our organs and cells, fortifying our immune response against invaders. When paired with mindful breathing, yoga also supports lung function, which is paramount in keeping our respiratory system healthy. A body nourished through mindful movement sets a solid foundation for resilience during flu season and beyond. The mindful aspects of yoga expand beyond movement. Incorporating meditation and mindfulness into our practice allows us to cultivate present moment awareness, thereby reducing anxiety and mental clutter. When our minds are at ease, we can better withstand the external stresses that threaten our health. This mental clarity translates to physical strength, leaving us more prepared to tackle the day's challenges without succumbing to the weariness that often precedes illness. In essence, the relationship between yoga and immunity is profound and multifaceted. Practicing yoga regularly aligns our physical, emotional, and mental well-being, resulting in a harmonized state that empowers our immune system to function optimally. As the winter months approach, embracing a consistent yoga routine filled with organic breathing, focused meditation, and intentional movement can create an invaluable buffer against illness, nurturing an inner sanctuary of health and vitality.